Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to replace keyboard in Dell Studio 155. Here's the system. Okay, the system, some of the keys are not working. The customer brought it, keys are not working, so we are going to show you how to. So let's start. First, we lose out the screws at the back. After this, we'll take off the case. Then we take, after the case, we take off the screws in the keyboard. Yeah, that's the flex of the keyboard. Please do well to subscribe and like my videos. Then we also want to test if it's working, and it's not working. Is the old keyboard is not working. So here's the new keyboard. Here's the new keyboard, and we are fixing it now. Okay, so let's test it and see if it's working. Boot in the system. Okay, F1 is working. Let's use notepad to test the keyboard. Okay, we see the figures are working from 1 to 0. Back space is working. Then the letters are working also. Let's shut down and assemble it properly. Put back all the screws in the keyboard. Make sure all the nuts are fixed properly. And the case, you make sure it's tight firmly. Put back the screws in the back case and make sure it's tight firmly. You can follow me up for more videos like this. I'll be using voiceover just like as I'm doing now in my next video also. Alright, now let's test the keyboard to confirm if all the keys are working. Okay, we still use notepad to test it. Alright, figures are working, the numbers are working, as you can see now. Q, E, arrow, all of them are working. Alright, make sure that when you are buying a keyboard like this, you make sure you test all the keys. Make sure they are all working before you pay for it. Alright, I believe this is helpful. All the keys are working. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. You can like and share the video. Thank you.